everyone. In today's video, I'm going to talk about these Morgan boyfriend jean shorts that I made. And I'm going to give you some tips on how you can do the same type of thing and some things to watch out for. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, let's talk about this fabric. This is a madras plaid that I bought actually online from fabric.com. And I will leave a link below, but this is what the fabric looks like. This is actual squares stitched together. They're stitched and serged, as you can see here, but they are stitched and serged together. So it's a whole lot of different little pieces of fabric that are put together to make this. Now, sometimes when you'll see something that's a madras plaid, it will be just a print on a fabric, but this is not like that. This is actually stitched together to make this fabric. So one thing because it is a cotton, one thing I definitely recommend is to wash the fabric. Pre-wash this and dry it. I only did mine one time, but you might want to do it a couple of times. I did find that there was quite a bit of lint that came off of the fabric in the wash and in the dryer. So that's something that you might want to keep in mind. But it's a nice fabric. It's great for summer or warmer weather, nice and easy to work with some keeping some things in mind. One of those things is because it is stitched together, you're going to find that you'll have these basically intersections where you have four pieces of fabric that meet. And when you go over those, when you're doing something and you've got those seams and you've got already a junction basically where all those pieces meet, then you're putting seams on top of that. Sometimes it can get a bit thick. So that's also something that you want to keep in mind if you're going to use a fabric like this. Now, the pattern that I used is called the Morgan Boyfriend jeans. And this, at this time, it was closet case patterns. They are now closet core patterns. So this is what I used for mine. And I chose this pattern in particular because it is a pattern for non-stretch jeans. So you're going to use a fabric that doesn't have any stretch in it, which was perfect for this. That's why I wanted to do this particular pattern with this fabric to make the shorts. Now, a couple of tips for you if you want to do the same type of thing, taking a jeans pattern and making it into shorts, whether you're using this pattern or something else. When you change your pattern, you want to kind of angle this out so it's not, you see how this is tapered in here? You want to angle out just a little bit so it's more, so it's not so tapered in, because that will give you more room in the leg. I did not do that with these, and they still, I mean, they fit me just fine. There's pockets on the back here and front pockets. You will see, of course, pictures. I did add the belt loops, even though I almost never wear belts. I put the belt loops on anyway. But that tapering out that the pants leg just a little bit will just keep the legs a little bit looser, more like shorts rather than jeans, which are tighter, unless that's the look that you want. But you just need to be aware of that just in case. Also, if you're going to do something like this, start with a pattern that fits the way you like already. I've made this pattern before. I knew I didn't have to worry about really changing anything as far as fit is concerned. So that was important. Start with a pattern that fits you the way you like already. The pattern is originally for button front jeans, like 5 buttons on the front rather than a zipper, but I don't like that. I did change that and put in just a regular fly with a zipper here. And that worked out well. In fact, so let me know down in the comments below, have you ever used madras plaid fabric? Give me a comment and let me know what it is that you made. Also, have you ever changed something like a jeans pattern into a shorts pattern? This was my first time doing it, so let me know in the comments down below. It's still hot in a lot of places right now, and you still have time for some summer sewing. So let me know in the comments down below. Go ahead, click that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.